What up everybody, it's your boy Alter Tech back again with another video, and right now I am filming on my Nexus 6P. This is perhaps one of my most favorite devices of all time. If you guys don't know what a Nexus device is, you guys should go ahead and go through YouTube and research what a Nexus device is. It's the device that came before the Pixel, which pretty much the Pixel before the Pixel came out. Now I am driving right now recording in 4K video, and as you guys can see, it's a little bit kind of shaky because there is no optic image stabilization and my car doesn't really have the best suspension. This is a pretty much at night. It's pretty good considering that, you know, this phone was released about 3 years ago, and there's a lot of phones right now out there that can't even, you know, handle low light situations. So towards the end of this video, I'll give you guys some camera shots and show you guys like what actually made me fall in love with this camera and why I keep holding on to it. So without further ado, go ahead, check it out, and let me know what you guys think. Alright guys, so the easiest part is getting up, and the hardest part is probably getting down, so watch me step.
They didn't give you a gasket for this?
Nah. Put it right there.
Hello and welcome to Wheel of Fortune.
You got nothing.
I guess.
Run. In here. Yeah, we can go there. And now I'm just gonna fling it, see how far it goes. It's supposed to have these two cutouts to have like a whistling effect. I'm not sure if the mic is gonna pick it up, so let me see. Alright, 1, 2. Alright, so we're in Newport Mall right now. I'm about to go check out the Verizon store, check out the Moto Z3 Play. Yo guys, what up? So Unedited back again with a video. So right now I'm in Central Park, and I would be vlogging with my G7, but it turns out I forgot my other lens, so I got my prime lens, and it's just gonna be way too close. So right now I'm in Central Park. What do you guys think? I'm using the Nexus 6P selfie mode. So, it's like what time is it right now? It's probably like 5:45. Pretty early. There's a lot of people outside jogging and stuff. Pretty cool. So